Introducing DynSOLAR365, the latest software innovation from Dyn365Pros. DynSOLAR365 is a cloud-based solution for managing rooftop solar projects. Designed with the help of solar professionals, DynSOLAR365's browser-based and mobile apps work together to streamline your process for initiating projects, managing site visits, system design, permitting, collecting utility data, system install, customer sign-off. Our user-friendly interface allows you to easily initiate projects, setting a standardized process in motion. Data collected during the sales phase pre-populates the project form, reducing redundant data entry. DynSOLAR365's custom site visit mobile app allows your team to upload photos and collect critical data using their smartphone, assuring you have the information you need for proper design. Built on software industry standards, DynSOLAR365 integrates with popular solar design software solutions, providing you the flexibility to use your favorite design tools. Custom project forms help you manage the process of gathering permits for HOAs, municipalities, and utility companies. Seamlessly integrate DynSOLAR365 with Microsoft Dynamics Field Service to manage work orders, scheduling, dispatch, and resource bookings. DynSOLAR365's robust reporting tools track important performance metrics such as project status, kilowatt data, and funding sources. Built on Microsoft's Power Platform, DynSOLAR365 integrates natively with the tools you use every day, things like Outlook, Teams, and Excel. Integrate with Dynamics 365 Sales and Customer Service to build an end-to-end solution for sales, project management, and customer care. Power your solar business with DynSOLAR365, your digital solution in solar project management. Schedule a demo and see for yourself.